Hey everyone! Today, I'm excited to show you a cool new feature on Facebook Messenger, the option to change the color of your shared story circle. So, let's dive into how to make the change. First, make sure you have the latest version of Messenger installed. Then, open the app on your device. Once you're in, tap the menu icon at the top. Then go to the settings. From here, scroll down and tap on Accessibility. Inside the Accessibility settings, find the Color Filter option. Now you'll see 4 preset color filters. The first one, Unfiltered, keeps the original app colors. I'll quickly show you the other options as well so you can see how each one looks. For this tutorial, I'll stick with third filter. And that's it. Now, when my friends or contacts view my profile on Messenger, they'll see my active status dot and story outline in the new color. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to join our growing community.